You're likely to need some form of renovation to your home because homes aren't made to code to be handicap accessible.
Right.
Building code does not specify that a wheelchair can fit through a door, that there are grab rails at toilets, at things like that. But unless there's very specific circumstances, those are not covered by insurance. So any renovations that are done to your home will have to be done out of pocket.
And another point too that I would make, you have to look at when you lose a limb, some of the accommodations that you might need are temporary. Because if you're going to get up and you're going to live an independent life with a prosthetic limb, you may not necessarily be getting in and out of the house with a wheelchair all the time. So if there was a temporary ramp or something like that, a lot of times people will be ready to spend a bunch of money on accommodations. I do say, or you can look at it from a different perspective. A lot of times people think I've rehabilitated myself on the prosthetic limb. I don't use an assistive device to ambulate, so they don't have a wheelchair or a walker or crutches in the home. Unfortunately, these devices are mechanical. There's going to be a time that maybe you can't get into the prosthetic limb or it's broken, and it's important that you have something to help you get around as well.
Now, in terms of, you mentioned the ramps and temporary ramps. Now, there are a lot of local resources in communities that do aid with building ramps or temporary ramps to get you in and out of your home. Mm-hmm. So when I say that it'll have to be out of pocket, that's for a lot of the in-home things. But ramps, I suggest that you seek out to find out if there are resources for that in your community.